Tracking kitchenware price drops means spotting when massive modular sets actually hit a discount worth acting on instead of paying standard retail. When you are tired of food sticking to worn-out pans and need to overhaul your entire kitchen setup in one purchase, timing matters. You want a comprehensive collection that covers daily frying, boiling, and simmering without requiring you to piece together individual pans over months. That brings us to the CAROTE Pots and Pans Set, Nonstick Cookware Sets 14PC. This 14-piece nonstick cookware collection is built for home cooks who need versatility, featuring a reinforced die-cast aluminum construction as its primary structural foundation. The standout engineering choice here is a top-level, harder granite material designed for intense non-stick performance. This granite coating creates a slick cooking surface that requires minimal oil for daily meal preparation. That specific non-stick coating changes your morning routine by letting eggs slide right off without scrubbing afterward. The reinforced die-cast aluminum construction delivers structural durability while keeping each piece genuinely lightweight in your hand. Furthermore, the extended bottom design ensures that heat transfers quickly and evenly across all cooktops, including induction stove. You get uniform temperature distribution without hotspots that burn your food during a fast sear. The bundle includes an 8-inch frying pan, a 10-inch frying pan, a 2-quart saucepan with lid, a 4.5-quart stock pot with lid, a 4-quart sauté pan with lid, a ladle, a slotted spatula, and 4 pan protectors. Those 4 included pan protectors are essential because stacking coated cookware without dividers ruins the non-stick layer over time. This configuration is not meant for professional chefs demanding multi-ply stainless steel that can survive commercial high-heat broiler environments. If you prefer tossing your cookware directly into an aggressive commercial dishwasher cycle every single night, you will want to look elsewhere since hand washing is recommended here. For cleaning, the slick granite surface wipes down effortlessly with just a paper towel or a quick rinse under warm water. To complete your kitchen setup, you should also look at a compatible silicone utensil holder to protect the non-stick coating and a heat-resistant drying mat for washing up. Links to those are in the description too. Amazon pricing on this shifts regularly and quoting a static number would mislead you. This 14-piece collection sits in a price range that represents solid value for what it delivers to an updated kitchen. The link is in the description so you can check what it is sitting at right now and decide if the timing works for you.